Hey guys, Josephine Shaw here. I'm so excited to be singing for the London Irish Amateur Rugby Football Club's firework event on the 30th of October. I'll be singing a bit of musical theatre, a bit of jazz, definitely some songs you'll recognise, maybe a bit of Disney in there too. It's in Hazelwood, Sunbury from 5:30 till late, and if you're interested in getting tickets, you can check on the London Irish Amateur Rugby Football Club's website or on Eventbrite. I'll definitely post some links in the description so you can check it out. It's a great event for families and people of all ages, and I'd love to see you there, so come along! When you wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. When you wish upon a star, your dream